Now let us go for the next process, that is the polytropic process. So when we come across this polytropic process, index n will be equal to n only. Coming to PVT relations, PV power n equal to constant, that implies P1 V1 power n is equal to P2 V2 power n, and from this we can write P2 by P1 is equal to V1 by V2 whole power n. So this is the relation between pressure and volume. So let us put this as equation 1. Now let us go for the other relations based on this equation. P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. So from this we can write P2 by P1 is equal to V1 by V2 into T2 by T1. So let us take this as equation 2. Now substituting 2 in 1, we get V1 by V2 into T2 by T1 is equal to V1 by V2 whole power n, and from this T2 by T1 is equal to V1 by V2 whole power n into V2 by V1. So we can write this as V1 by V2 whole power n into V1 by V2 inverse. So from this T2 by T1 is equal to V1 by V2 whole power n minus 1. So this is the relation between temperature and volume. Now let us put this as equation 3. Now from equation 1, V1 by V2 is equal to P2 by P1 whole power 1 by n. Let us take this as 4. Substituting 4 in 3, equation 4 in 3, we get T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 whole power 1 by n whole power n minus 1. So from this we can write this as T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 whole to the power n minus 1 by n. So this is the relation between temperature and pressure here. So let us take this as equation 5. Now let us go for drawing the PV diagram as well as TS diagram. If we take PV diagram, it will be like this, and TS diagram comes like this. So as this is expansion, index n may vary from 0 to infinity. So let us take a curve like this from 1 to 2 such that we are getting PV power n equal to constant based on this curve. See, during this expansion process, pressure is decreasing and volume is increasing. So from this equation, as the pressure is decreasing, temperature also might decrease. So temperature is decreasing means this indicates heat rejection is taking place. So therefore process 1 to 2 will be a curve in the TS diagram which is pointing downwards, in which temperature drops, at the same time entropy drops because of heat rejection. Now let us go for work done. Work done is integral PdV. Now From this expression PV power n equal to constant, we can write P equal to C into V power minus n. So let us substitute that here. When we substitute it here, integral 1 to 2 C into V power minus n dV. Now taking C common out of integration, V power minus n dV we get. So this is in the form of integral x power n dx. So this will be x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Substituting it here, C into V power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1 within the limits 1 to 2. So this can be written as C into V2 to the power minus n plus 1 minus V1 to the power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1. Now multiplying this C inside, C V2 to the power minus n plus 1 minus C into V1 power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1 we get. Since P1 V1 power n is equal to P2 V2 power n and this will be equal to constant, instead of this C, let us substitute P2 V2 power n into V2 power minus n plus 1 minus, instead of this C, let us put P1 V1 power n into V1 power minus n plus 1 whole divided by minus n plus 1. Now this is in the form of a power m into a power n. We can write this as a power m plus n. So therefore work done can be written as P2 V2 to the power n minus n plus 1 minus P1 V1 power n minus n plus 1. So these will get cancelled by minus n plus 1. Now we can write this like this: P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1 by taking minus common in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So this is the formula for work done. Now the formula for change in internal energy. Change in internal energy is U2 minus U1 is equal to mCV T2 minus T1. So this formula will not change because internal energy is a property. Now heat transferred Q1 to 2 is equal to U2 minus U1 plus work done. So U2 minus U1 is mCV T2 minus T1 and work done is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. Now we can write heat transferred Q1 to 2 as m. CV can be written as R by gamma minus 1 into T2 minus T1 plus P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. So this was written because CV can be written as R by gamma minus 1. Now from this can be written as MR T2 minus MR T1 by gamma minus 1 plus P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. So MR T2 can be written as P2 V2 and this is P1 V1 by gamma minus 1 plus P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. Now taking P1 V1 minus P2 V2 common, minus 1 by gamma minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1. So this becomes P1 V1 minus P2 V2 in the denominator gamma minus 1 n minus 1. This will be minus n plus 1 plus gamma minus 1. These two will get cancelled. We get gamma minus n by gamma minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. So if you observe carefully, this P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1 is nothing but work done during polytropic process. So Q1 to 2 is gamma minus n by gamma minus 1 times work done during the polytropic process. So here the formula for change in enthalpy will always be mCp T2 minus T1. So change in enthalpy will be mCp T2 minus T1 only in this particular case.